the Holy Quran memorization record in less than a month. Before I start, please subscribe my channels for more new update. In the University of Pakistan, a student, her name is Jawaria, who lives in the Ghaziabad district of Lahore. She set a record in memorization the Quran by learning the entire holy book by heart in less than a month. Jawaria took only 29 days to learn the 30 juz, parts, of the Quran by heart, Qudrat Daily reported. She has put a lot of effort into the task to make such an achievement. The Quran has 30 juz, parts, 114 surahs, chapters, and 6,236 verses. And so memorizing the entire Quran is an achievement that requires a lot of efforts and time. Pakistani officials say that they will apply the record to be listed in the Guinness World Records. Only few Muslims manage to do it, let alone in such a short period of time as Jawaria did.